Here we go. We are going to go into the old showroom, or what we call the finishing room nowadays, and we're going to look at some new knives we have that just came in. So these are not in stock yet. They literally came in at like 5:30 yesterday, towards the end of our day. We have the new Kershaw knives. So these just came out in the last couple of weeks. So they came out with, this is the Iridium, and they came out with a Reverse Tanto, because the base model is a spear point. Then they came out with the Belair, which this is in Magna Cut with a cool little black wash that they do with aluminum scales, and their Duralock, and at an excellent price point. So the price point on this is going to be very similar to the price point of Benchmade's Bug Out, with higher end scales, a higher end steel. So we'll see how that goes. But I mean, there's a lot of talk about it right now. And then they came out with two new live wires, both in Magna Cut. And this one is the carbon fiber edition, and they did a satin blade on that one, which I love because Magna Cut does not need a coating. And then they came out with a double-edged variety. So most the other two are just a nice spear point, but false edge on the back. This one has an edge top and bottom, so no using it like a utility knife. But if you want that more tactical look, there it is. Daniel and I talked a very little bit about seeing if we could do a blade swap on some of these, to see if we could get one of the black blades on the carbon fiber, if not the dagger on the carbon fiber. We may play with that next week, but you'll see if and when we do it. But we probably won't talk about it until we do it. But just a little teaser, because we're interested. We are interested. So if any of those tickle your fancy, let us know. You know where to see them online. A note, the automatics will not be on our website. You've got to either come in or call about those. We can't sell out the fronts or automatic knives on Shopify, so that is what it is. It's just one of those hurdles we have to fight with on a regular basis. Other than that, thank you for a great week. I'm going to wrap it up here, and we will see you next week. Have a great